The person who invented the Z-shaped single-arm pantograph is truly a genius. When the train is traveling at high speeds, the pantograph can always closely adhere to the high-voltage power line, and it doesn't require any electronic components to control. How does such a pantograph work? As shown in the diagram, the single-arm pantograph consists of a base, 2 support arms, and a contact head. The requirement is that no matter how the support arm swings up and down, the contact head must always remain horizontal. How is this achieved? Look closely. We circle the lower arm of the pantograph, and you can see that it is a 4-bar linkage. When the green long bar is lifted up, the angle of the yellow short bar will also change. Next, we extend the yellow short bar and attach the contact head. The contact head's vertical movement can be controlled by the 4-bar linkage. But there's another problem. The height change will inevitably bring about a change in the angle of the contact head, causing insufficient contact between the contact head and the overhead wire. So what do? It's simple. Add another balancing rod, like this. It connects to the short bar under the contact head, ensuring that the contact head is always horizontal. The entire device just utilizes a perfect combination of mechanics without any electronic components. Due to the very high voltage received by the pantograph, it also needs to be connected to the carriage using insulators.